guys, I'm Camille, this is Jazz, my husband, and welcome back to my CamiyogAIR aerial yoga channel. So today guys, as you see, something is different. It's a special edition aerial yoga class, which is a partner aerial yoga practice. And in this special edition, since Valentine's is coming, but not only that, even if you're watching this video sometime other time, this is just a fun way to practice again aerial yoga with your friend, with your sibling, with your spouse, your parents, whatever, just name it, when you want to share this practice with one silk together. So in this class, we will go through some beginner to intermediate poses and exercises. So we will go through 5 of them, and plus a bonus one, a very fun one will await in the end of the class. So just watch through it, practice through it to reach the top. So first of all, just adjust your silk about your hips apart, that it won't be too low or too high. And we will start with a short warm up for the back, so like cat-cow position. So now we will, before that, of course, a little bit breathing and stuff. So we will start just sitting in the separate ends of the silk. So let's turn away from each other, facing the backs, grabbing like maybe 3-4 times, 3-4 folds of the silk, and let's sit in it. Okay, good. First of all, let's just relax the hands on your knees. Relax your hands on your knees. Close your eyes just for a moment. Let's a little bit tune in. Tune with each other, with your partner, whoever you're practicing this class with. And let's bring down the slower, deeper breath. So just breathing in your belly. Full big breath in, full breath out, and just feel your partner's back, how it moves when you breathe together. Just feel more like that. Slowly, deeply. And now, as I mentioned, we will start with a cat-cow, so warming up the backs. Using your hands, slide along your edges all the way up so your arms extended. And now you will do it alternatively. So the person behind you will do opposite to what you will do. So if you arching, you're pushing your chest up, then the person behind you will round the back and looks to the belly. Then we're doing opposite. I'm looking towards the belly, and the Jazz behind me looks upwards the ceiling. So breathing in, and arch, look up, open up the chest while the person behind rounding. Breathe out and squeeze and round your back while the other person behind you arching and opening the heart. So let's do a few more like that. Just feel that spine moving around as yours as well as your partner's. It's quite cool to practice cat-cow together. Just different sensation and feeling of that body moving around. So let's do just the last one. Okay, and let's come back to the neutral and slowly coming out of the pose. Okay. Now, since we are a little bit warm up, facing that this is not will be something that's very complicated in this class, so don't worry about it. Everything is quite open, all levels, what we will do in here. So the next thing that we will try around is like a swing position, cobra. So this time maybe I will start being the first one. We always switch. It's very fun. You will see. So first of all, I will start by entering the hammock. So whoever is the first, let's grab 4 folds of the silk, bring one of the knee inside, and find the front edge and kick yourself in. Just move a little bit away, I will smash into you. And now just lay down under me. So the other person just lays under, facing you. Okay, so the person is in the silk. Let's take the arms out and clasp your hands together. So now basically the person that is on the floor a little bit pushing you forth and back, that you would start swinging. Yeah, so in here, and then swinging up and back and up. You don't need to push that much, just a little bit So in this way, we moving through the shoulder joints. Same, the person that is on the floor a little bit moves their arms up, forwards and backwards. We're not yet pushing that much up. It's more just swinging motion. Yeah, so nothing special. You're just swinging around and opening your heart. Whee! Okay, and then for a moment you can hold and try to open up more, as much as it's comfortable to your back, and push away from the hands. If it's too much, leave your elbows bent, yeah? And then it would be up your comfort. Or go deeper, then push away fully, extend your arms, elbows, and look up. One more breath in, and breathe out, let go. Okay, now we're moving to the other exercise, which will a little bit neutralize your spine and round the back, since it was a lot of back bending. Now just turn around. So now that the person that is in there, switching, that would be facing my feet, like the person opposite, right? Now we will do pull-ups. So I'm grabbing, can you lift the legs first? Yeah. So we're grabbing the ankles, where the person also holds on the ankles. You will need to do it at the same time. So as you breathe out, both of you or us bending the elbows and pulling. So just 1, 2, 3, pull. Okay. Yes, that's it. Feet flex. Flex your foot. Yeah, like that. Okay. Okay, just focus.
Oh, God.
Full power, full power. Breathe out and pull. And 2 more. And 1 more. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now the fun starts when you switch with your partner. Okay, so that I won't jump on you. Yeah. Okay, so just now you will go into the hammock. Doesn't matter which side you face. Yeah. So first you will be prancing around in cobra. Feet in for now. So the same, just switching, right? For more fun. Okay, so just hold it firmly with palms. The person that is still bend your elbows. I'm extending now. And I'm letting him just a little bit just swing around. La la. Flying to the moon. And he can push up as much as he wants, how much it's comfortable if he wants to hold. If it's too much, he can bend the elbows to reduce the back bend. But once more, then the person will start to extend the arms as much as they can to flex the spine. Yeah. Okay, and let's release. Very nice. And now we're switching the person that is under the hammock, switches the sides. Okay, and try to do pull-ups at the same time. So just let's take the feet out. Yeah. So first of all, just preparing, grabbing the ankles out each other. And as you breathe out, then both of you doing it at the same time. So 1, 2, 3, breathe out, pulling. And again. Yeah. Full power. 2 more. And last one.
Oh.
Okay. Woohoo. Good. Now just you can take out. Come out. Another opening, very nice pose. Another cobra variation, you might say, when the person lays on the floor, but this time with the feet inside the silk. So maybe now you start just by laying on your back. Bring your feet in. Okay. So there's 2 ways again how we can do it. Let's start with the easier one, where the person that is on the floor will hold the ankles. And they're holding like this, yeah? So from under. The other person holds the silk higher, yeah? So you extending the legs, look up, and you can slide as much as you can to go a little bit deeper into your back bend, opening your heart. And slowly coming down. Now the other variation, to go deeper into almost king cobra, if you would like to try, is when the person that is on the floor holds your thighs or by the knees. Then you can bend the knees and go deeper. Let's try this, okay? So, yeah. Okay, so you can start with regular cobra. Then you're sliding your arms along the silk, bending your knees to go deeper. And once you're done, a little bit pull up too. Slowly, not step on someone's head, to come down. Okay, so now we're switching, Jazz. Your time to shine. First, ankles. Look up, opening your heart. Okay. Okay, we have a version. Let's try, just hold this so firmly. Now we will try to one knee at a time. Oh my God. Okay, good enough.
This is all.
Okay, so one more exercise, a little bit opening through the legs, like a floating pigeon bind. So this time you're entering with your one of the thighs inside the same silk. So if I'm putting my left leg to the silk, Jazz will put the left leg in. Okay, just a little bit widen, but it won't squeeze as much. Okay, so first of all, let's hold the silk, each separate side, and lifting on your tiptoes. So heel up. So first, just looking up as you would do high lunge, sort of, yeah. But then you're sliding a little bit down, but you would arch and open your heart. And now releasing the same arm that is the leg on the floor. So just release your right arm. And we're opening up. What? That's it? Like an hour. He asked how long it will take, so an hour at least. Prancing like fairies. Okay, so let's try maybe the other leg, okay? So I'm bringing my...
I'm gonna be facing the camera.
So your right leg. Okay, so let's adjust again to widen a little bit. So same leg, just this time we're putting the right leg. Holding the same side, both hands, arching back, and holding the foot, opening up, holding, kicking back, a little bit twisting around. Enough of squeezing it and massage through the thigh. Okay, guys. So we did in total now 5 exercise poses. There's one more bonus one that we will need 2 silks, and it's very fun, very entertaining. So let us just for a second prepare 2 silks. Okay, so as you see now, me and Jazz have separate silks to each. As for this bonus, very fun, very fun exercise, as I call it, monkey twirls. We will need 2 silks. So now we will enter the back straddle. So let's bend. You can bend the silk in half, or you can do it with a narrow silk, just up to your wish, just on the side. Okay. So up to your comfort. If you will do it longer, I would suggest to bend it in half, as we practice it irregularly in my class, to just avoid any contraction through the lower back. So sitting into those 2 edges, holding the sides, a little bit lower, just your hands. Lean back, open your legs wide, and wrapping around into back straddle. Okay, so now to go to that monkey twirls, first of all, let's find the partner and find your hands. Just hold the palms, and then we start twirling by pulling to once. Whee! Because I'm gonna warm it. Okay, the other side. Woo!
That might be enough.
Maybe it is enough. And then you can end with a very beautiful shape from the pigeon. So let's just take this inner leg. I will also take, and let's grab the opposite leg. You hold my leg, I'll take your leg. One more time, pull me up. Wee! There. Ta-da! Just say ta-da. Ta-da! Finish my class. Okay. So guys, that's it. Our mini partner aerial yoga class. I hope you enjoyed it. Please share all your thoughts and your giggles down below in the comments. And as always, everything is down below in the description on my website about courses and tips. Other than that, I hope you had fun and uplifted your moods and your partner's moods. And I'll see you in our flying experience. Bye!